Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'm going to make a smoothie that I think is beneficial to me, to you, to anyone that want to consider drinking something that will help you health-wise. Okay, so we're going to make a carrot, ginger, turmeric smoothie. Alright, so I want to talk about three of those things and tell you the benefits. Alright, I have some notes here. The benefit of ginger: reduces inflammation, you can lose belly fat, and revising diabetes. Okay, that's ginger. The benefits of turmeric: fights inflammation. It has antioxidant in it to fight free radicals, reduce joint pain, boost immune system, and protest against cancer. And carrots. The benefits of carrots. Carrots have fiber in it, antioxidants, help lower cholesterol levels. It has beta carotene in it, vitamin K1, potassium, weight loss friendly food, and improve eye health. So I decided to make this smoothie because I need to take something to get inflammation out of my body, and I can't take ibuprofen. So I looked up what is natural for me to take, and I came up with these three items. So I went to the store and I just happened to find this is, it says carrot, ginger, turmeric. This is carrot, ginger, turmeric juice. I paid $4.99 for it. It's 52 fluid ounces. And it says it's a anti-inflammation diet. Okay, so my point here is, when you have some concerns, some health concerns, you might want to consider, before going to pills, what natural remedies can you take to help this situation. Another thing it said I could take is grapes, tomatoes. Okay, so I ate some grapes for breakfast, and so I'm going to make this juice, and so I want you to follow along because this could also help you. And if you want to just drink the smoothie because you like drinking the smoothies, go ahead. At least you still get the benefits. So I wanted to tell you this. Also, you know, this is good to get the nutrients that's needed into children. Now, children love smoothies and shakes and stuff like that. So it's another way to get nutrients into them. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so I have here one banana that was frozen, cut up. It's a little thawed out now that I've talked a little bit. This is some mangoes that was frozen. They're still frozen. This is a cup of the carrot, turmeric, and ginger. And I spilt some. And this is a half a cup of yogurt. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to put the yogurt in. I got the half a cup of yogurt here. The mango. That's a cup of mango. A cup of carrot juice with the turmeric and carrot, ginger, and turmeric all in it. The bananas. Okay. add a couple of cubes of ice so it can make sure it thickens up. Get some light on here, that would help. That's better. Okay, let's give this a mix. I'm going to hit boost on the Ninja so that you can see that. It's loud. I can still hear the ice, so the ice is not quite broken down. Let me hit that again. Okay, so let's check it out. I'm doing two things. I'm seeing how thick it is so I can show you. Okay. See? It's not thick like ice cream, but it has some weight to it, so that's okay. Okay? Now let me taste it. I like the taste. Okay, I'm pour it into the cup. Okay, and let me let you see me taste. Okay, let me give the word of the day before I taste our carrot, turmeric, ginger smoothie, okay? The word of the day is, sometimes you need to think outside the box. And maybe if you're suffering from something, in my case, I was suffering from inflammation building up. And when I had a tooth pulled, and so as an end result, inflammation has built up in my gum area. And so I went to the dentist, and the dentist said I can take ibuprofen or a natural remedy, turmeric. So of course I picked the turmeric because I like natural. And you know, we can get a lot of things we need from food instead of medicine. I'm not saying not take your medicine. I'm saying consider some of these natural remedies because there's no side effects to these the food remedies, and it's much more healthier. Of course, you can consult your doctor if you like, because I am not a doctor. But this is something that I thought would be a great word of the day, because this can help you in the future. Not only did it help my inflammation, it helps all those other symptoms that I read off in the beginning that you can go back and listen to again, that it can help. So why not take something that gives you a lot of benefits, okay? And let's start eating things that benefit us, and also the way we cook them, because you can have something that benefits you, but if you cook it the wrong way, you just killed all the benefits. Okay? Okay, so let me taste, okay? Here we go. Look at the pretty color. Isn't that pretty? This is a Dunkin' Donuts cup. I buy these for 26 cents at Dunkin' Donuts for the cup, the container, the top, and the straw. Good deal, right? It does not taste bitter at all. And you notice I did not put any sweetness or sugar or anything in it. I taste the carrots. I don't taste the ginger and turmeric, which is good. It's in there, but I don't taste it. It's cold and refreshing. It's delightful. It's something that I could definitely drink. So why not try this and see how it could help you? Okay? Okay, so that ends this video. And I'll see you on the next one, okay? Give it a thumbs up for me, share the video, and subscribe. And remember, eat and drink things that benefit you health-wise. Until next time, God bless.